Hello everyone. In this module, I'll be discussing about volatile oil containing crude drugs. Volatile oil is one of the secondary metabolites distributed in plants. It's the odorous constituent of the plants, hence it is named as aromatic oil, and it's a concentrated constituent of the plants, hence named as essential oil, and it evaporates on exposure to air at ordinary room temperature, so it's also known as ethereal oil. Chemically, volatile oils are derived from terpenes and their oxygenated derivatives. They are made up of isoprene units with the molecular formula C5HA and are usually monoterpenes, which consist of two isoprene units, sesquiterpenes consisting of three isoprene units, and diterpenes, which consist of four isoprene units. So under this category, I will be discussing about the drug coriander, which contains volatile oil as its chief constituents. Coriander comes under the umbelliferous fruits. Umbelliferous plants are named as umbelliferous because of the arrangement of flowers in umbels, that is umbrella shape. And the type of fruit is a chisocarpic type of fruits, which means it's a dry, indehiscent fruits which splits into partial fruits. One of the subdivision of this chisocarp is cremocarp, which splits into partial fruits. And each half of the cremocarp is known as mericarp. A cremocarp consists of two mericarps, and each mericarps will have two surfaces. One is ventral or flat surfaces, which is named as commissural surface, and a curved surface known as a dorsal surface. And generally, the dorsal surface will have five raised ridges which run from the apex to base of the vascular bundle. And two mericarps will be joined together by a minute thread-like structures called carpopause. And coriander is a fully dried dry fruit of the plant Coriandrum sativum belonging to the family Umbelliferae. And this plant is indigenous to Italy and widely cultivated in India, Egypt, and Morocco. Generally, the coriander is an annual herb, and when it is ripened state, we can start collecting the fruits. And color of the flowers will change from white to white or pinkish in color. And during the collections, the aromatic odor of the fruits can be developed. And macroscopical character. So, as I said, it is a cremocarp type of fruits which consist of two mericarps, which is joined by a fine thread-like structures called carpopause. And generally, 10 primary ridges will be present, and 8 secondary ridges are present in this coriander fruit. Primary ridges are usually wavy, whereas secondary ridges are straight. And 1 gram of fruits were consisting of 100 fruits. 1 gram of the coriander fruits will bears 100 fruits, and it is usually yellowish brown to brown color with good aromatic odor and spicy taste. And shape of the fruit is subglobular, and it consisting of calyx. Five calyx will be present, and which consists of two styles with the base of the nectary disc, which is known as stylopod. And the active constituents of coriander is volatile oil, and the chief constituent of this volatile oil is coriandrol, also known as linalool, and paracymene. And coriandrol is a terpenoid which has a hydroxy group, and cymene is a terpenes. Other active principle of this coriander fruit is fixed oil and proteins, because the fruits bears seeds. The seeds will have a rich amount of endosperm in which the proteins will be stored in the form of alluron grains. And the coriander leaves are a rich source of vitamin A. Generally, all the crude drug which contains volatile oil will have a common pharmacological effect. One is a good carbonative way, which removes the unwanted gases from the stomach, and it has used as a flavoring agent because of the nice aroma produced by the volatile oil, and because of that it is used as a stimulant. And along with this, this coriander will be given along with the purgative drug, because the side effects of the purgative will causes the gripping effect, so it will prevent the gripping effect caused by the purgative. So this oil will be given along with the any of the purgative drugs. And the marketed products of this coriander is cystone, which is given along with cystone. which is used for removal of kidney stones, and it is one of the ingredient of Bilwadi Churna. The next drug is fennel, which is also comes under the umbelliferous types of fruits. So it is a fully dry fruit of the plant Poniculum vulgare belonging to the family Umbelliferae. So this plant is indigenous to Mediterranean countries and Asia. And generally here this plant is a perennial plant, and the color of the flowers will be yellow in color, and it will be grow in many parts of the world, which is propagated by seed propagation method, and the plants will grow to a height of about nearly 2 meter, and most of the branches will bear the leaves, and the plant bears fruits during the month of July and August, and the plant bears flowers in the second year of the planting. And the fruits are collected by cutting the stems during the month of September, when the fruits are completely ripe, and the stems are dried and sheaves under the sun, and later it is beaten to separate the fruits from the plants. So coming to the macroscopical characters, it's a five-sided fruit, which is a form of a cremocorp with a small pedicel, nothing but the stalk of the fruit is known as pedicel. And fruits are glabrous with straight, prominent yellow-colored five primary ridges, and there is no secondary ridges as we have seen in coriander fruit. And it has a bifid stylopod at the top, and the ventral surface contains a carpopore which holds two mericarps together, and the color of the fruit is green to yellowish brown with nice aroma and aromatic taste, and the shape will be straight or slightly curved. The active constituents of phenol is volatile oil, and among this volatile oil, the chief component is anethole and phencone. Both were terpenoids. Anethole, which has is a methoxy group, and the phencone is a ketone derivative. The other active constituents of phenyl fruit is fixed oil and proteins, and it is used as a carminative, aromatic, flavoring agent, and as a expectorant. Generally, phenol will be adulterated with exhausted phenol, which means the volatile oil is removed from the phenol. The remaining one is known as exhausted phenol. This can be easily identified by means of its darker color, and when it is soaked in water, it will sink. So, based on this, we can identify that the phenol is adulterated with the exhausted phenol. And sometimes, because of the careless during collections or during harvesting, there is chances for admixture with sand, dirt, stem, and some of the seeds of the wheat plants. And the marketed products of phenol is known as Abana, Anxocare, Shahi Cool, which is produced by the Himalayan Drug Company, and by Aptikit by means of by the company Lubin Herbal Laboratory, and Hajmola is one of the ingredients marketed by Dabur. The next drug, which contains such a volatile oil as an active ingredient, is cinnamon bark. The synonym is also known, it is also known as Ceylon cinnamon or Shagon cinnamon. And the biological source, it is a dried inner bark of the copicized shoots of the plant Cinnamomum zeylanicum belonging to the family Lauraceae. And it is indigenous to Sri Lanka and Malabar coast of India, and generally the bark will be collected by copicing method. So for now the shoots will be cut by means of a sharp knife, and from the cut shoots the bark will be stripped off, and the bark will be kept in a bundle form, and it is kept for 24 hours, during which some of the enzymatic reactions will take place, and thereby the outer bark will become loosened. Now it will be easy to collect the bark portion. So cinnamon bark will exist in three forms, either a single quills or double quills or compound quills. So generally, these quills will be cut into pieces of about 1 meter length. So cinnamon consists of either single quill or double quill or compound quill, and the outer surface is dull yellowish brown in color, and the inner surface is dark yellowish brown in color. Good aromatic odor, and aromatic and sweet taste, and the shape will be either single quill or double quill or compound quill. So for packaging purposes, many single and double quill will be packed together to get a compound quill. And type of fracture is splintery type of fracture. And the active constant present is a volatile oil. The major component is cinnamaldehyde, and it's a terpenoid, eugenol, and benzaldehyde, and some terpenes is also present. And other than volatile oil, it also contains rich amount of tannin, it is tannins, and it is also rich in presence of starch, mucilage, calcium oxide crystals, and mannitol. And as it contains phenolic OH groups, it can be identified by treating with the ferric chloride, which gives a pale green color. And another test, the chloroform extract of the bark is treated with aqueous phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride. So we can able to see the crystals of cinnamic aldehyde when observed under the microscope, which will be a rod-shaped crystals. And it is used as an aromatic carminative, stomachic, as it contains tannins. It can also has a mild astringent effect, antispasmodic, and also antimicrobial effect. And marketed products of cinnamon includes Rumalia gel, Koflet lozenges, and Chyawanprash, marketed by Himalayan Drug Company, and Garbapal Ras, Satshekhar Ras by marketed by Dabur, and Sage Starminex capsules by Sage Herbals. The next active principle which contains volatile oil is cloud flower bud, which is known as lavang in Hindi, and it's a dried flower buds of the plant Eugenia caryophyllus, belonging to the family Myrtaceae. So this cloud tree is the native of Molucca Islands, and it is largely cultivated in Zanzibar, Sumatra, Pemba. The flower bud is have a spherical shaped head, and the hypanthium will be cylindrical in shape, which tapers at the lower end. And this hypanthium, the crown will have four sepals, which will be surrounded by a dome-shaped corolla. So this corolla is as it's a flower bud, it's an unexpanded petals, which bears numerous stamens, and prominent styles will be present. So the volatile oils will be present in the hypanthium, that is, oil glands will be present in the hypanthium regions, and it has aromatic, spicy, strong odor and pungent and aromatic taste. So which will lead to the numbness taste when consumed. And the active principle is volatile oil. The major component is eugenol and caryophyllene. The other active principle is tannins, resins, and the chemical test. So, on treating with the potassium hydroxide, it shows needle-shaped crystals of eugenol, which will forms with the potassium hydroxide, potassium eugenate, and it also has a phenolic OH group. So, with perchlorate, will give blue color. And clove is used as an carbonative, aromatic, flavoring agent, and antiseptic, and especially it is having a special use as dental analgesic. Substituents and adulterants of clove, which includes exhausted clove, which means the cloves from where the volatile oil will be uh, removed by distillation method. The remaining one is known as exhausted clove. And during collection, there is chances for the presence of some of the clove stalks. So this can be identified by means of the presence of uh, prismatic type of calcium oxide crystals. And mother clove, so here it is nothing but it is a fruit portion of clove. Actually, we'll be using clove flower bud. So during collection, there is chances for the contamination with ripened fruits, which is known as mother clove. And this can be identified by means of the presence of starch in the, as it's a fruit consists of the seed portion, which is rich in starch. The fourth one is blown clove. Usually, the clove has to be collected before opening. The flower before opening has to be collected in the bud state. But this blown clove, if it is not collected uh, at the correct time, so it will lead to the opening of the flower. So that is known as clove. So this will be having lower volatile oil content. Thank you for listening.